After your mid-20s, your skin starts losing collagen every single year. Wrinkles sagging, yep, that's where it starts. But can you actually outpace collagen loss and build it back faster than you lose it? Or is that just wishful thinking? Today, we're going to break down the science and the myths, the techniques actually work, and the surprising one that may be actually making your skin look older. Stick around, you'll want to hear this. Hey guys, I'm Dr. Carter with Modern Body Clinic, and we are anti-aging experts. If you ever wonder why your skin isn't as bouncy as it used to be, it's not just aging, it's collagen loss. And it starts way sooner than we think. Collagen is a structural protein, and it turns out it makes up 75% of your skin. I just mentioned that we are losing collagen starting in our mid-20s every single year. Turns out we're losing about 1% per year. And if you're a woman, when you hit menopause, it even goes faster than that. Now, there are a few things that actually will make that go faster. Sun exposure is a big one. The sun turns out is trying to break down the collagen. Well, it's not trying on purpose, but the sun is definitely breaking down our collagen. Other things that are going to degrade our collagen faster include sugar. These are not good for collagen protein. Stress has a dramatic impact on maintaining your collagen, as well as lack of sleep. So when we don't get enough sleep, we will produce less collagen as well, and it makes it harder to maintain what we got. Can you actually build collagen faster than you lose it? Or is it just one of those too good to be true ideas? Natural production of collagen does slow over time. Can we boost it beyond what we naturally had before? Well, there's this idea of what's called the collagen ceiling, and there is some maximum amount of collagen that our bodies can naturally produce. Now, there's several factors that involved in it, including like your genetics, your environment, your diet. These all go into like how much collagen can you actually produce yourself. With that too, as an individual, you may see that some people may have amazing results with some supplement, topical, or treatment, and other people don't. That is also part of this collagen production and part of, again, our genetics, our diet, and the environment. Let's cut through the noise. If you really want to boost collagen, these are the methods backed by science. The first one is retinoids and peptides. Both of these are going to help increase skin turnover, which will stimulate more collagen production. Another class is office treatment. So RF microneedling and laser resurfacing, these are really good at also stimulating your body to make more collagen. It's almost forcing your body to make it. Another class is vitamin C and amino acids, but particularly collagen peptides. These are essential for being able to make collagen. If you don't have any vitamin C, it is going to be impossible to make more collagen, but they take time, they're not magic. And something that's new and recently came out is red light therapy. And so red light therapy, there are a number of studies on this, and yeah, looks like it is helping produce collagen as well. Now, let's talk about the biggest collagen myths. We're going to expose what actually works and reveal, well, maybe it doesn't work so much. The first one is collagen supplements don't work. Well, the fact is they actually do. There are a number of studies that show oral collagen supplements can improve skin hydration, skin elasticity, and fine lines and wrinkles when taken consistently over time. Most collagen peptides are what's called hydrolyzed peptide, and they can help your skin create more collagen there. And they've done this a number of studies showing that measuring directly decreasing fine lines and wrinkles, as well as increasing skin elasticity and hydration of the skin. These are measured results. Now, it works best when you combine it with the vitamin C, because again, vitamin C is something that is required to create collagen in the body. Now, a lot of people assume that collagen peptides don't work because the results aren't instant, and that is for sure. It's definitely going to take time to see these changes. Most studies are done over 8 to 12 weeks. You can start to see changes as little as 4 weeks, but it's going to take some time to see those results. So the next one, topical collagen creams can rebuild your skin. This one's a little tricky. The thing about this is that the topical collagen is a big molecule, and it's not going to be really able to get absorbed deeply in the skin. I could find 5 studies that show that it did improve fine lines and wrinkles. Now, what it did not show was that it increased skin elasticity. So none of the studies were able to show that, and that's probably because it was not able to get absorbed deeply, and you would not necessarily see those changes. They can improve how your skin looks, but they are not necessarily improving the quality of the skin. The next one is collagen loss is unavoidable. Nothing can reverse it. Yes, collagen naturally decreases with age. Certain lifestyle choices and treatments can slow and partially reverse this process. What are proven collagen boosters? Retinols work by increasing skin turnover, more, but also directly stimulating more collagen production. Microneedling and RF microneedling are treatments that simulate injury to the skin and will induce your skin to make more collagen. Vitamin C, I've said this more than once already, but you need vitamin C and it will help with making collagen, but also protecting it from the stress of the environment. Many people believe that collagen loss is completely irreversible, but scientific interventions can counteract it. Next one, more collagen equals younger skin. Too much collagen can make your skin look stiff and unnatural appearing. And well, how would you get that? It seems like it's even possible. Well, excess collagen can come from certain biostimulators like sculpture or radiase. They can cause fibrotic buildup if overused. And so this will make the skin look thicker and can make it look uneven. It's not just about having more collagen. We definitely want to have a balance. The next myth is expensive equals better when it comes to collagen products. Turns out some of the best collagen boosting ingredients and treatments are affordable. On the very affordable side would be retinoid, vitamin C peptides, and microneedling devices, are actually rollers and microneedling rollers. These are all very affordable that can be done at home. Now, some things that require an investment but are definitely worth it would be RF microneedling, fractional laser, which would be CO2 or Fraxel, and sculpture. High price doesn't always equal high effectiveness. All right, so the takeaway of all these myths and facts is that collagen supplements do work, but they take time. Topical collagen will not rebuild your skin, but retinoids and peptides can. Collagen loss is not unavoidable. Lifestyle and treatments do matter, and balance is key. If you're serious about keeping your skin firm and youthful, here's the best game plan, whether you're 25 or 55. Because remember, our mid-20s, we're starting to use collagen already. Let's start with topical, right? So if we want to do a full stack topical treatment to maximize our collagen, first one is going to be a retinol, a tretinoin. These are going to basically increase the collagen production right off the bat and reduce fine lines. Next one is vitamin C. We know vitamin C is required for the creation of collagen. We want to make sure we have vitamin C around, and it's going to help protect the collagen that we do have. Peptides, these are great because they are going to directly signal to your skin cells to make more collagen. Hyaluronic acid, another thing we would like to have as a topical agent, is really going to help support our skin structure and add hydration, protect the skin barrier, and it will add some plumpness to the skin. And last but certainly not least, in fact, I would say this is probably the most anti-aging step we can do outside of if you smoke, stop smoking, is sunscreen. Sunscreen is really going to help maintain the collagen we have and is going to help prevent damage to any collagen that we create. Now that we're doing that, what about treatments? What treatments are we looking at to really maximize collagen? Microneedling, that's with or without radio frequency. That is going to increase collagen production and help reduce fine lines. Another treatment we can do is laser resurfacing. And so I mentioned before, CO2 laser or Fraxel. These are going to help create tons more collagen as well. We also can use ultrasound or radio frequency by itself. These are also going to help create collagen. It's going to take some time to see it, but yes, both of these can help with collagen production. As far as more advanced stuff, we mentioned sculpture before. This is a biostimulator. It is helping your body create more collagen. Sculpture does this. It's radiase. Also, we can use regenerative medicine techniques, PRP. This is something that we can apply topically to help increase collagen production, as well as exosomes. Both of these are going to have growth factors and signal to the skin cells to make more collagen. Now, last part, but certainly not least, is just our lifestyle. So things we want to do to really maximize in regards to our lifestyle are going to be sleep. We know if we don't get enough sleep, then that's going to be a problem for collagen production. So 7 to 9 hours for most people. We want to make sure we're hydrated. The dehydration is a problem for cells that makes them less effective. We will make sure our skin cells are optimal. Being hydrated is going to be helpful. Definitely having a balanced diet that has protein but collagen sources. So think eggs or fish. We want to make sure vitamin C is around. That's going to be citrus, red peppers, or green leafy vegetables. And zinc and copper we want around. Nuts and seeds are really good sources for that. In regards to lifestyle, we also want to make sure that we are managing our stress. So chronic stress will inhibit collagen production, as well as sugar is going to be really detrimental to our collagen production as well. But if you could do one thing, that is going to be maintain your collagen you have now. So how do we do that? Well, the two out leverage things are going to be sunscreen and a retinol.